There are places where nature doesn't just exist, it performs. This lake, it's one of those places, a shimmering mirror held up to the sky, still and deep, reflecting clouds that drift like quiet thoughts across the water. All around, the sounds of life hum gently in the background. Even the water has a voice. A soft, rhythmic sigh as it greets the shore again, and again, and again. Leaves whispering secrets only the wind understands. And the gentle lap of water that sounds suspiciously like it's trying to lull you into a nap. Like air and a vibe that says, stay a while. As the sun tips low and the sky melts into amber, this place takes on a kind of magic. The birds quiet down, the trees stand still, and the world, for just a moment, exhales. And maybe you do too. After all, we weren't meant to rush all the time. Sometimes we were meant to sit by a lake, watch the light dance on the water. And let the mountains remind us of the bigger picture. The air is filled with the kind of music money can't buy. Birds call to one another like they've got old stories to tell. Birds singing like they've just discovered joy. The breeze rustles through the leaves like a lullaby in a forgotten language. And just when you think nature couldn't be more generous, you find this nestled right on the edge of it all. A lakeside restaurant that blends in like it grew here. No big neon signs, no fuss. Just good people.
Lost in this cosmic abyss, my mind takes flight. Dark echoes pulsating, setting the stage for the night. Galactic melodies guide me through the unknown. In this abstract hip-hop song, I feel at home. Navigating the depths like a jazz improvisation.
Until next time, stay curious, stay kind, and if you find a place this beautiful, don't forget to tell someone about it. Thank you for watching. Please leave a kind comment and like. travelers and travelers.